Askano, you are so original. Uwa chuka chuka, bayomba mvuma. Tukaimba fena, eh? Tell them, one more time, yeah? You are so original. Uwa chuka chuka, bayomba mvuma. Bay uwa chuka, jewangilanga. Ani akunyiza okutuuka ku kintu ekyo. Onyigiridde gwe mbadde ninyevayo. Tujja. Ani akunyiza okutuuka ku mbeera bw'etyo. Oluyimba yaluyimbisa busungu si kyo? Mr. Salman, reduce my echo just a little bit, yeah? Yeah, man. What inspired Risk? Because it's one of the biggest songs we've had in this country.
Well, of course, Obimanyi addresses Ivamu what I thought of putting out my pain through a song, yeah?
Yeah.
So kati nalina okukola Risk. Kitegeera.
Bameka abamanyi bebe wono omwana.
Ani?
Chosen Becky. Temukikola nammwe. Wama bamuyitani? Vyroota agweyagala kaaba.
Ani?
Abaana bamumanyi?
Abeera kye mumanyi bambi.
Vyroota wani?
Oga.
Kati gwe ne Bita muli mulaafu oba nedda?
Ani?
Mugambye ani? Bita,
What are you talking about?
Abaana bano beegaana.
What are you talking about? Mukazi wange yani? You know nothing, so keep quiet. Ask another question.
Vyroota twali kuzina kanigo n'ozirika. Mujjukira yafa banaye ne tutya ne tukankana ne tugamba oba abadde ki, and then some people said it was a stunt. Wabaki? I saw the video trending in Rwanda, the video trended in Kenya. What happened that day? Wabaki? Walitolidde? Yeah.
The reason as to why I did come out, to clarify about that is because you can then think everything that happens to artists is a stunt. You get it? Njogera nyungu oyogere. Njogera mbigo mzee.
Yogera tubuli, what happened exactly?
Keep quiet. So, no, I'm sorry, but anyigiride nga njogera. Listen, well, I collapsed. The reason as to why I didn't show, the day before.
Yeah.
Atenze yavuga,
Yeah.
Kati nalina okugenda ku show yo. So when I came back during 10, saafuna tuluusa awummula, you get?
Yeah.
So I think abasawo bangamba fatigue. Yeah.
Fatigue ezirisa omuntu.
Abatali basawo temwogera nnyo.
Okay, one last question.
Yeah.
Baba ita abakaabi, you, Liam Voice, Unknown, Victor Rose for MC Cuts. Nebagamba ennyimba ze muyimba za abakaabi. Mumukaaba. How did that make you feel when you Vyroota?
Sometimes I don't reply to people who don't know music. You get?
Yeah.
No, that is not crying. When you come out and say, you cry. What are you talking about? Because the crying I know is different from this.
Yeah.
Because I was singing as the people were singing.
Oh yeah.
That's right?
Yeah.
Were you crying, you guys? So, I don't know why I saw what I saw, but I don't deal with people.
One question from the crowd for Vyroota, then today Mundongo. Anybody with a question? Huh? Vyroota damutu sumulwe ndongo.